What if I told you you can start making money online using AI, even if you have zero skills? No coding, no experience, just smart work. In this video, I'll show you a simple method using AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI that beginners are using to earn their first $100 to $1,000 online. First step, pick a service people already pay for. Don't overthink this. Examples: YouTube script writing, Instagram captions, resume writing, blog content. These are boring, but they make money. Now here's where most people mess up. They just copy-paste from AI and expect money. That doesn't work. Instead, give AI clear instructions like write a viral YouTube script with strong hook, emotional storytelling, and high retention. Then edit it slightly. Add human touch. Now it becomes valuable. Next step, sell your service. Go to platforms like Fiverr or DM small creators on Instagram. Don't say, I use AI, nobody cares. Say, I help you get more views with better scripts. Focus on result, not tool. Once you get 2-3 clients, repeat the process. AI does 70% work. You manage clients and improve output. That's how people scale to $500, $2,000 a month. Let me be clear, this is not magic. If you're lazy, this won't work. If you're consistent, it will. Start today, not tomorrow, because AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will.